Welcome to Little Starts TV.
Let's discuss about how to make chalk piece. We need some special white powder called plaster of Paris. We also need water and some pretty colors if we want colorful chalk. Mix the ingredients. We mix the plaster of Paris with water in a big bowl. It becomes a bit like pancake batter. If we want colorful chalk, we add a few drops of color and mix it well. Next, we pour our mixture into fan-shaped molds. Molds are like special containers that give shape to our chalk. They can be round, square, or any shapes. Shall we wait? The mixture needs time to dry and become hard. This usually takes about a day. It's like waiting for cookies to bake, but it takes longer. After the chalk has dried, we carefully take it out of the molds. Now we have our very own chalk pieces, ready for drawing on sidewalks and blackboards.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun and educational content.